So Python file handling allows a Python program to create, read, write, and even modify files. So if you, for example, want to read a file, not just a Python file, there is simply a way you would need to write it. But the most important thing is using the R argument, which simply allows you to read from a file. And we have the W. If you want to write some things into the file, you can use the W. The W allows you to write into the file. And this is an example here. No matter which operation you want to use, whether R, W, or A, you need to open, well, the open function, then pass in the file you want to read or update or write into. Then you can use the operation, whether you want to read this file, you want to write into the file, or you want to add to the file. Okay, so let's try just one example here. So we have this new file here, and I'm going to create a variable called file. So if you don't have any file, you can simply just create a random file here. It could be a Python file, it could be any extension, maybe a PDF, whatever, but I'm just going to make it simple by creating a file called first.txt. You could create .py, I mean, that doesn't matter, so I'll just create first.txt. Okay, so I have a first.txt file, and you are going to make sure that you actually see it somewhere here. So instead of this first.txt file, actually let's just write hello inside it. Okay, so I'm just going to write hello, just write inside it like that. Okay, good, that's all. So let's come back to our original file here. Now, in order for you to actually read, I want to read what is inside the file I just created. So you have to use the function called open, and then the first thing or argument that this open takes is the file you want to work with. I want to actually work with this file I just created, which is first.txt. So there is a slight mistake here. Actually open first.txt.py. So I mean, it's a mistake, but make sure yours is just first.txt. You can adjust that. I'm just going to do so right away. Just right click on that file there, and then I'm going to refactor by renaming the file into first.txt by deleting that. I'm just gonna click refactor. So I have the first.txt. Cool. Now the second argument, then after you put a comma, of course. So the second argument is what you want to do with this file. Do you want to read this file or write into it or add to the file? So of course I just want to read it for now. So you can open a single double quote and then write R. Now to read this file or to see what's in this file, you have to call your variable and say .read this way. Okay, so this reads what is inside this variable here. And anytime you're trying to read a file, because that's the main thing we are doing here, if you wanted to write into the file, this R would be W instead. That is, you want to write some things into the file. Okay, so the main thing is the second argument. And when you are done, whether you want to read or write it to the file, you must always make sure that you close the file. Okay, after reading the file. Okay, after the file should be read, then just close it for me. But this file.read, well, if you run it, you won't see the result in your console. We need to put this or pass this file.read into the print function so we can see the result like that. So if I run this file now, so you can see that it shows me what's in this file. So this file will add hello inside, and you can see we have the hello, right? So I want to write word, like hello word on, well, inside of that file too, right? So what we can do, well, you can just comment this out. So let's actually write some things in the file. So you have to create a variable. Your variable name could be anything. So then we can say open, then which file do we want to work on? So first.txt, and this time we want to write into the file. So just type pass W in there as the argument. So then you have to say file.write. Okay, so whatever you want to write into the file now. So let's say word like this. Okay, great. So when you're done writing, okay, you can close the file. Remember to, whether you're reading or you're doing something else like we're doing, you must close it by saying file.close. Okay, so let's run this file now. Now, of course, if you run this file right now, you don't get any result. But if we go back to first.txt, you see that it has replaced what was originally there. You know, originally we had hello world, but now we have just word there, right? And you can read through this file by running the same command which you did earlier, right? You can just simply rerun this command, okay? But though you have to do that on a fresh line, all right? I'll probably bring that down or something like that to read what is inside it. So you can just still bring both of them down below to read what's inside it, okay? So just comment all of this. So there is a better way to do all of these things we've been trying to do, okay? It's more better and more efficient, and all you just need to do is to tap with open, and inside of the open we are going to pass in our two arguments, which is the first.txt, okay? And we just simply want to read for now, okay? So then we say as file, then you put in your colon, right, like so, and then we are simply going to be using the print function, and then inside it we are going to read the file like this, okay? So this is just the better way to write it rather than writing a single one line. So that's the keyword you start with. Then open this file for me called first.txt, and then read what's inside it as a file. And then, well, you can now use this function called file.read. You can use this file.read because it's read mode that you want to actually set this up to, right? That's what you set it. If it was W, for example, what would be here would be W. That would be right? Cool. So this is just a much better way. Now you don't need to close the file because, you know, originally, whether you are reading or you are simply trying to write, you need to always close the file. But Python automatically closes the file for you here. So I'm just going to write this down here so you all don't forget. So that's it. So that's just basics of what we've done, and that's it.